Hello. We deserve to have the best that life, has to offer. It's my belief that if something is good in life, something is meant to bring us peace, meant to bring us whatever the case might be, something good in life, whether it's abundance, whether it's prosperity, whether it's understanding, whether it's knowledge. We deserve to be able to get that. A great example of this is I was once reading a book about what a man's rich family had taught him. And it was like, when he was growing up, his parents were poor, and they didn't really talk about the same things that rich people had. And it was like there was like, two sides of the table. There was the people with money and the people without money. And it wasn't until he started understanding, and learning from the people who actually had, money, prosperity, all the good things in life, that he really understood, that he really deserved it. And it's the same thing for you and I. I believe that we deserve to have all of the best things in life. If that's something you've been searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is to go join my group. It's called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Have a great one. See you soon. Talk to you later, and take it easy.